Hey, I'm Barry with InsulationMachines.net, and this is Dylan. He is with Jackson Spray Foam, and they're here at the Cool Machine factory, actually spraying the lid over some of the offices. Dylan purchased a Coolvac 23 from us a few weeks ago, and what are your thoughts, Dylan?
I absolutely love it. The Briggs motor I got, it fires right up anytime it is asked for. The vac performed a lot quicker than we expected, so its turnaround time is great. We had no issues getting in the job, getting out of the job with no maintenance issues on the road. Made money. So.
Great. And Dylan's close enough, he came to the factory to pick it up, and that option is available. If you're close enough to the factory, we can work that for you. I appreciate your business, Dylan.
Thank you, Barry.
Okay, thank you.
Appreciate you.
Take care. Yep.
You too.